Lesi sigameko senzeke ngeithuba zehora lesibili namhlanje ntambama. Kubikwa ukuthi umnikazi walesi sithabathaba somuzi utshele indodakazi yakhe ukuthi uzoba nevakashi namhlanje. Zithe uma zifika indodakazi yaphumela ngemva kwendlu nalapho izwe sekuqhuma izulu lezandla.
I had got multiple calls of backup needed at Torres Street in eShallcross of a shooting in progress upon my arrival. I had a volley of 11 shots. We then assisted SABC and Metro Police. We then got contained the scene, managed to take control of the scene. It was then established that 2 unknown males had shot an unknown individual. The individual was rushed to hospital and the 2 males were on scene. They were deceased. We then managed to keep control of the situation and let police and Metro do the investigation.
Ibe isihlaba umkhosi ngokubulawa kayise. Umphakathi wathungatha wazibambela mathupha abasolwa ababili wabanquma amakhanda wabathungela ngomlilo. Kube nzima kakhulu nasemaphoyiseni ungena lapha ngenxa yomphakathi obusuthukuthele ugane unwabu.
Earlier this afternoon, our police officers responded to reports of gunshots in the area. When they arrived here, they found a large mob had gathered and they prevented police going to the scene. It is alleged that members of the community from the surrounding houses then opened fire on our police officers to force them not to enter the scene. There was a standoff for quite a while before we could get onto the scene. We eventually had to call police officers from the public order policing unit to disperse this crowd before we could get to the scene.
Umnikazi walomuzi ushonele esibhedlela amaphoyisa avule amadokodo amathathu okubulala.